Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to the official channel of Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. As promised in my previous video, today I'm going to show you how the payment for RTR examination is made on Bharatkosh. Making a payment on Bharatkosh can be a task at times. I know most of you are going to be the first time users and probably registering on Bharatkosh for the first time to make the RTR payment. So in case you have any doubts, please don't worry. Today in this video, I'll be clearing all your doubts, showing you step by step how do you create an account and then how do you make the payment for the RTR examination. So let's get started. Now to make the RTR payment on your the internet browser, I use Google Chrome and I'll be opening that. And once you type Bharatkosh on your search screen, you will get Bharatkosh. You just have to click on that and open it. Now once Bharatkosh opens up, you have to go and log in and register on the right side, and then you click on new user. Here you'll find your mobile number where you have to put in your mobile number and then your email ID. Please make sure you put in a valid email ID. Next, you enter the CAPTCHA and then you request to send OTP. So you'll be getting the OTP on the mobile number. Whatever the OTP is that you receive, you will enter your OTP over here. Now the next page is for user registration. Your mobile number and email ID is already there. So now you have to click on depositors category and it will be individual because it's you who's making it. Controller is going to be telecommunications. It's telecommunications, then you write your first name and then your last name. You can give the username a name of your choice, whatever you would like to. This will be your login ID, so your username is whatever you will remember. You'll put in a password. Please make sure you'll remember this password because Bharatkosh will be used for many payments that are to be made with the RTR and other DGCA licenses. So make sure you remember the password it is. Confirm your password. Organization name, company identification number and TAN is not required. Just make sure that you fill in all the star marked columns. That's more important. So now you have been registered successfully. So now you can again open your Bharatkosh website and again go to login, and this time because you already have a login, you can straight away go to login. You put in your user ID and your password and then you'll enter your CAPTCHA and submit. Now you will have to go to, you'll see the home page, my account, make your payment. So we go to make your payment and you have to click on receipt for DOT. You will find depositors category, which is individual. Now the purpose is you'll have to click on purpose. Now on page 4, you will find RTR. So you can just click on RTR. Here you click on the RTR exam and it will straight away appear on the purpose. And payment type, you will select exam fees, and the paying account officer is be selecting Mumbai for now, and just one drop down for dispersing office. You check that. That's 500 rupees is the amount for the exam. Fill in 500. The date is already mentioned, so that doesn't change. Payment frequency period. You just type the CAPTCHA and add. Now here it's again depositors category, everything you just check and you write the CAPTCHA as mentioned. And now you will come to another page, which is the depositors details. Here you will have to fill in your details again. Your name is already mentioned. Fill in your address, whichever is your current address. And you select your country, you select the state, you select your district, whichever it is, and then you write your city. So basically make sure that you fill all the red star columns compulsorily. TAN, TIN and all is not required. Your mobile number, email and everything, because you've already registered, is there. So you can go to the next page. Now you can see the purpose details and all are mentioned. Just go to the next, confirm, and now you can make your payment. So whichever is your mode of payment, whichever is your bank, please check the success rate and just go ahead with it. So whatever mode you're making the payment on, you can choose that. So please select accordingly whatever is the payment method, and you again have to enter your CAPTCHA, and I acknowledge and confirm that I have read and agreed, and go to the next payment page. So now you'll here be making the payment. So please enter however you're making the payment. I'm using the card, so I'll enter the card details. And so my payment is done. And this is what I will get. You will also see a PDF and the receipt will look something like this. So this is your payment for the RTR exam, and this PDF is what you will be taking a print of. and you will be sending it along with your application form for the RTR-A examination. Yes, and you will, on the application form, you will also be required to mention that wherever you've mentioned Bharatkosh, please make sure you put in your transaction reference number and the bank reference number if possible. So this, my friends, was how you make the payment for the RTR exam on Bharatkosh website. So today I showed you how to make an account on Bharatkosh as well as how to make a payment for the RTR exam. I hope my video has helped you if in case you had any doubts about making the payment on Bharatkosh. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to write a comment to us. My next video would be on how to apply for the computer number. So in case you want to apply for the computer number and have any doubts about it, please keep following Golden Epaulettes. We'll be coming with the next video very soon. So guys, come let's fly!